Welcome to the AI text prompt generator. To begin, let's click the Customize button on the first image. Now let's change the prompt by replacing Elsa Ariel Bella Elena with Dro Ranger. Now click the Copy button icon at the end of the computed prompt input. We now have our prompt copied and ready to be used on an AI image generator. For our image generator, let's choose the Stable Diffusion button. Once we are there, paste your prompt in the input field and click Generate. Right-click on any of the images you like and select Save Image to download. Congratulations, you have made your first AI artwork.